need to know how customers see their brand and what improvements have to be made before it's too late. They also need to keep an eye on the target market and how competitors are doing. One way to get the answers to these questions is to collect feedback from your customers. This data will let you make smarter decisions about your pricing, messaging, and marketing strategies. And what's the easiest way to collect feedback? We believe it's marketing surveys. I'm Sabina, a content manager at Survicate, a tool that makes reaching out to your customers for feedback a breeze. Here at Survicate, we decided to test how marketers actually approach surveys. We've looked at 800 surveys that were created and sent out by 96 marketers using Survicate. And here are the top 5 marketing surveys and questions. Number 1. Customer research surveys. The first on our list are customer research surveys, which made up about 28% of all surveys sent to customers. This is not surprising, as marketers need to figure out who their customers are so they can look into ways of reaching them. Examples of marketing questions in a customer research survey include: which of the following best describes your role in the purchase process? What is the main reason you chose X? This would be a given product or service. How are you primarily using X? But why ask these questions? Well, finding out your customers' job titles, pain points, and interests will help you target and personalize your marketing efforts. Number 2. Net Promoter Score or NPS surveys. NPS surveys are an industry standard across many niches. All marketers use them, and they make up about 20% of all surveys sent by Survicate. They consist of a question, something along the lines of: how likely are you to recommend our company to others? It's a quick, closed-ended question, so NPS surveys get the best response rates. The data you collect helps predict repurchases and referrals. You'll also be able to identify your most loyal customers who may be able to help you acquire new customers. You can then ask them for case studies, testimonials, and quotes to use in marketing campaigns by creating a separate flow ending with a slide like this one. Number 3. Product research surveys. Product research surveys account for about 14% of the most popular marketing surveys. The data will help you effectively market new features of your product because you'll understand how customers use them. Effective product survey questions include: how important is feature X to you? Do you find the new feature easy? What new features would you like to see from us? And why ask these questions? The answers will help you understand your users and their needs. As a result, you'll drive better product adoption and market features more effectively. Number 4. Customer satisfaction or CSAT surveys. It looks like marketers who use Survicate really like CSAT surveys. They rank 4th on our list, accounting for about 14% of all surveys sent by marketers. But why is this surprising? Well, the customer satisfaction score is really a customer service metric, not a marketing one. With that being said, marketers do need to keep an eye on the big picture, and measuring customer satisfaction is part of it. In CSAT surveys, we ask questions like: how satisfied are you with our services? How would you measure your satisfaction with our platform in general? How would you rate your most recent interaction with our support? CSAT surveys are often used to measure customer satisfaction at specific touchpoints, such as closing a support ticket. Answers to open-ended follow-ups can give you buzzwords to use in marketing campaigns. And number 5, content evaluation surveys. Our marketers also like to use content evaluation surveys to improve and accelerate their content creation process. They constitute about 6% of all marketing surveys. Examples of marketing questions in a content evaluation survey include: what is your overall opinion of our webinar? What topics would you like to read about next? Did you find the newsletter informative? And why ask these questions? Answers will help you evaluate the performance of your content and get ideas of what content to produce next. So, how to do marketing surveys? By asking the right questions. I encourage you to look through Survicate's extensive library of templates and questions. All were designed by professionals and are continually tested to fit feedback collection trends and best practices. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to never miss tips on how to best collect data from your customers.